Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove Groove Music from your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is go right click on the Windows Start button, and you want to select Settings. You want to select Apps on the left side. And then on the right side underneath Apps, go ahead and select Apps and Features. In the app list, go ahead and search for Groove. Best match should come back with Groove Music. Go ahead and click the three-dotted icon next to it and select Uninstall. The app and its related info will be uninstalled. Select Uninstall. And once that's done, close out of here and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Should be as simple as that. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.